Hi there. How are you? I hope you're having a good evening. I wanted to hop on tonight and talk to you a little bit about makeup and finding joy in makeup. I um I don't know. I was just always one of those people who've loved makeup. Are you a makeup lover or not really? And you certainly don't need to wear makeup or very much of it. I do recommend, though, that you just put a little lip gloss on and mascara before you leave the house. Um, but I want to just give you a makeup tip tonight to help you play with a little color with your makeup. I talked about finding joy in color in relation to our wardrobe, but tonight I'm just going to talk a little bit about it in our makeup and finding joy in makeup. And we're certainly not wanting to cover up our beauty. We are wanting to highlight our beauty with makeup. So we don't need a lot, we don't need very much. And it could be very natural looking, or you could have makeup on that shows a little bit more drama. And we're going to talk about both of those today. So as I mentioned earlier, I do recommend a little mascara and a little clear gloss if you aren't wanting to wear any makeup and you are stepping out of your house. It will just make you feel a little bit dressy if you don't normally wear makeup, and just like with clothing, when we wear certain things and our brains kind of switch and change, and it affects the way that our brains work, and they actually are supercharged, right, with those superpowers. So we want to utilize that, but we could still look natural with mascara and lip gloss or chapstick. There's some really great chapsticks out there too. But okay, so if you want to wear more natural colors, and you have the same complexion as I do, you're going to go for more of the browns, right? The more earthy, I have earthy colors, right? So I'm going to wear more earthy makeup colors if I want it to look more natural. If I want to create a little drama, some pops of color on my makeup, I'm going to, sorry, I don't know if you could hear all the kids and all this stuff and the dog and everything, so hopefully it's okay. But if you're wanting to create a little drama with your makeup, you're going to actually do the opposite. You're going to do the contrast. So, like for instance, I've got petal colors and emerald kind of colors on my face, and that's going to create a pop. If I had put brown colors on, then it would be more natural. And it's just going to kind of like blend in, and you're not really going to see much. But the pop of color, creating drama, is a contrast to what my natural coloring is. So emeralds and like jewel tones and petal colors are going to create that drama for me. If your skin tone is opposite of mine and you want to create some drama, you're going to use the browns and the earthies, the earthy greens and browns and yellows, and that's going to create the drama in your makeup. So you'll want to pick either your eyes or your lips. Typically, you won't want to choose both. You want somewhere for your eye to rest, and it will seem like maybe too much if it's like a lot of drama, right? So pick either your eyes or your lips that you want to create the drama, and go for it. If you're earthy colors, go for those bright teals and pinks and bright kind of colors. And if you are the opposite of me, then you'll want, I'm sorry, there's stuff coming in here. Then you'll want, if you're the opposite of me, then you'll want to go with the earthy colors, okay? Hopefully that helps. Have fun with your makeup. Enjoy it and wear as much as you enjoy to wear. And let me know if you have any questions. Either send me a DM or comment below. Oh, also, I am doing color analysis with, I'm giving you some digital color swatches. I'm giving you recommendations for your color analysis. I am giving a free mask away. In fact, I have mine right here. I got this. This is in my color code, this zebra. And I am giving a mask from the company that I got my mask from, and it will be in your color code. So, and everyone who schedules an appointment between now and September 6th. So we want to get you on the books before then, and I will shoot you a mask. Regardless of whatever your opinions are about masks, we all, at least here in Arizona, we are required to wear them if we want to go inside anywhere. And it's my understanding it's like that across the country in a lot of places. So let me send you a mask. Let's get you your color analysis done. All right, I hope you have a good evening. I look forward to hearing from you for a color analysis, and let me know if you have any questions.